how to automatically resize the picture with cell in Excel. In this video, we are going to see that if you adjust any picture according to the cell size and then you want to automatically resize it according to the cell size. So let's say if I increase the size, it will increase the picture size, and if I increase the row size, it will change the picture size automatically. So let's insert a picture from the scratch. So to insert the picture, I'll just go to insert menu and picture. And if you're using the latest version of Excel 2024, it will show you this option, place over the cells or place in the cells. Right now we will just discuss place over the cells and choose an external area to select our picture. So let's say this one, this is our picture and we want to resize this. So just quickly just make it a manageable size, or what you can do is just quickly format it from here. Now let's quickly change it to a manageable size. Now what we will do is we will select the relevant area where we want to insert the picture. For example, let's say this one. We want to insert it in Excel. So first we need to make sure that the picture should roughly match the size of the cell, or you need to adjust roughly the size of the cell in order to fit the picture. So let's say this is the picture size and I want to snap it to the corners as well. Let's say this one, like this. Just roughly make it so that it can fit into the cell. All right, once we are done, just right click here and click on size and properties, and make sure you see all of this adjustments, which is size, properties and all. If you don't see that, that means you are in some other tab. Just move it to the third option, size and properties, and you should be able to see this. And now what you need to change is just open the properties menu, and from here just choose move and size with cells. That's it, and just click it anywhere you want. And whenever you just reduce the size of the column or the row, the picture size will change automatically. So that's pretty much it, guys. This is how you can easily do this and move the picture according to the cell size automatically. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.